Hello and welcome to the training for the ePanic button for the end users who are going to be sending the messages. Essentially, the ePanic button is a great system to summon support or security or send any type of emergency message discreetly. It's pretty easy to send off without someone noticing. Instant, there'll be people will be notified right away about your situation, and because there's multiple messages, it's redundant as well. Now the way you send it off is pretty simple. You might have gotten an optional foot pedal. You just step on the pedal. You might have a hotkey set up like F4 or Control F4, or you can mouse over the red icon. There'll be a scroll up window and you click the button. One note, I'm going to demonstrate our default settings, but your organization might have set up different buttons with different hotkeys, but they will certainly tell you what that configuration is in your training. What happens when when you activate it is three types of messages can go out. There'll be pop-up alerts that'll go on the screen of any of the receivers on top of any of other windows they might have open. And it also sends text messages and emails as well. With our default settings, with our original settings that we first set up, we set up a support button. Maybe that's used for situations where you just need support from a coworker or a supervisor, a difficult client or person you're working with. And with our default settings, the hotkey was Control F4, or it's the yellow button. For more serious situations, you'll have the red button to click, or you can use the hotkey Control F5. But again, as a reminder, your organization might have set up different buttons and different hotkeys as well. The important thing to know, though, is when that is sent out, you'll have pop-up alerts, perhaps going to security, telling them that you need support, or maybe your coworkers will be told to go into lockdown and to follow the emergency procedures. Administrators will be notified as well. But let me demonstrate how the program actually works. Let me show it in action. If you look at the bottom right of my screen down over here, over where my clock is, there's two little icons. We've got the red icon that sends the messages. And if you just mouse over it like that, I'll make the window go away and then mouse over it, there it pops up. You can click on either of these buttons. So again, you can click on it or use the hotkeys like Control F4, or use the foot pedals if you got any of those. Let me demonstrate. I'll just click that, and this is what's going to be popping up on other people's windows, whoever the receivers are. Let me just turn off that sound. Actually, let me demonstrate something. If they clicked respond, if the security guard, let's say, clicked this respond thing, if you can look back down at my E down in the bottom right, again over by the clock, that little E inside the red circle turned green, and that's how you know a receiver actually clicked respond and they know you're in trouble and they're going to be coming to help you out real quick. To make that E turn back to white, you right click it and you click reset ping back, and that way you click on it and the E turns back to green. Your organization, again, will be telling you about your program and the way that the buttons were set up. But one final thing that I just want to mention that's pretty important is that even though the ePanic button is a great way to summon support, your real security depends on awareness of your situation and any potential threats, reporting concerns, and showing good support for your coworkers and clients. If there's any way we can help you, please let us know. The next video will be about how receivers use the program. Thank you.